How to install Gloria Double Traverse curtain rod. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete Gloria Double Traverse rod system, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Insert the fixing pin into the slot in one rod piece. Slide the connector into the rod slot on the top. Align the adjacent rod piece's slot with the pin and push firmly to connect. Finally, secure the connector with a wrench to create a continuous rod. Detach the rod finial and insert the counterweight into the rod. Snap the finial back into the rod and secure it with the wrench. Detach the mounting plate from bracket. Mark the rod installation position. Mark drill points using the mounting plate. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws. Secure the mounting plate with screws. Secure the bracket to the mounting plate. Insert the screw into the bracket hole, aligning it with the counterweight. Secure with a wrench. Dual rod installation order. Inner rod, install first for proper clearance. Outer rod, install after inner rod is secured. Your rod is now ready for curtain installation.